Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a table for one, please.
Right this way. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I have a menu?
Here you are. My name is Alan and I'm your waiter today. Would you like to hear today's specials?
Certainly.
Well, we have a wonderful mushroom soup to start off with. Today's main course is fish and chips.
Fish and chips? Is the fish fresh?
Certainly, madam. Fresh off the docks this morning.
All right, I'd like the fish and chips.
Would you like to have a starter?
I'm not sure.
Our salads are excellent, madam.
I'd like a green salad.
Very good. Would you like something to drink?
Oh, I'd like some mineral water, please.
Okay, so that's a green salad, fish and chips and mineral water.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you and enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.